So this video we're going to look at how to use other people content on YouTube or Facebook or any other media platform and make money from it. We see a lot of young guys who are using other people content on so many platforms and they are cashing out from it daily. Examples of such platform here. We have one here. We have this platform. It's a very big platform and all that he do is he uses other people content called Then Studio. If you check here, he has 4.4k views. He has 600,000 subscribers on his channel. All that he does here is using other people content, reacting to celebrities content, reacting to celebrities shit and stuff, and he's cashing out every day and posting a lot of videos, getting views and stuff. If you come to the next platform, this channel has over 600k subscribers and he has 1.3k views. All that he does here is reacting to people content. If you check here, you see this video here. If your book here, apologize to Otun for all that. We posted this video 6 days ago. Come here, this one is 6 days ago, 3 weeks. And if you come down here, you see as this one is 1 day ago, 1 day, and 2 days, and then stuff. So this channel, because of reacting to people content and stuff, is creating a lot of videos, posting daily on his platform and making money from it. He has extra platform on YouTube. All that he does here is for reacting to people content and generating views and subscribers and stuff. So this video I'm going to show you a step by step on how you can edit other people content, react to other people content, post it on YouTube, Facebook or any other platform that you want to use and cash out from it without facing any copyright challenge and stuff. These people are making it but they are not facing any copyright issues and stuff. If you come to this channel here, then you see that he just posted a video 46 minutes ago. The title of this video, he says that this is why Stoneboy is trending. Why Stoneboy is trending, that is what he's coming to explain. So I'm going to show you how you can react to such content that you too can make money from it. You know, nowadays what people are mostly watching on social media is trending videos, celebrities videos. That's what most people want to watch. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel for our future videos. Let's get started. The first thing is you need to make sure always you get the video that you want to talk about. Understand the reason for that video, why that video is trending. You go out, check out the original source of that video, original source of that content. You understand the reason for why it is trending. The reason why mostly people come to watch is you see a short clip that is trending, but no one understand why this clip is trending. Yeah, I have this video. If you look at this video, you see this woman is kneeling down and we have a lot of big men in her back. You may see this video on the media but you not understand the reason for this video. So all that you're going to do is you pick up the video, look for the original source, why the video is trending, then you talk about that video. So I did some here and I'm going to show you how you can edit it. So I come to my video editor here. This is my video editor. I use Camtasia. Okay, so that's my video editor. You can use CapCut on your phone or on your laptop or on your PC. Okay, so you go to your editor. So first thing here, I have a voice recorder or a video recorder that I record explaining what is going on here. So first off, you need to make sure you have your video that is trending. You get that one, you sit down on your camera, you talk about the reason why this video is trending. Okay, so I have this video. Let me play it for you to see here. So let's play it. So if you look at this picture here, you see that we have fear. So I'm explaining the reason, or someone may see video but will not understand or know the person. So you first need to talk about the person small, and then you start going deep into the video. So once you have started doing this, I need to make sure I bring up a picture or a video of that woman here. Okay, so I come here. So I said, if you look at here, you will see this woman, right? So I need to make sure I brought the woman here. Okay, I can crop it. Okay, crop this video small. Okay, so I crop it like this. come here, then resize it more, then I'll put it here. Okay, when someone come in, he will see that the woman that I'm talking about is here. Okay, so why is he trending? Okay, or why is she kneeling down here, and we have those big men in her back. So I'm going deep to explain it, right? Okay. And one thing is, once you started talking about it, you need to make sure you mute your clip here. So your first clip, you can mute it. So I will silence this one so that people will hear my voice, right? So I'll start playing it again to explain why she is trending. So now I've talked about why he's trending, or I've talked about her for some time. So I need to make sure I drop the original video for people to know why this woman is trending. So I have the original video here. So once I've explained it, at the end I need to alert my viewers that now I'm going to drop the original video for them to know what happened that have led this woman into this crisis. Right, doing that, I need to make sure I drop the original video here. Okay, so at the end I'll drop the original video here. So the original video, I can stop talking and start playing that original video. Okay, so let me come to the original video here. Then I will keep quiet and tell them that let's watch the video. Okay, so once I'm playing that one, I need to mute my voice small here. Okay, so let me come to this side, cut it, this point I need to cut it, my voice. Okay, so I tap on my voice and then out and silence my voice here. So silence, then I put. Yeah, so you see the reason for her being dragged into the Otunfo palace and stuff. So if you go in deep and start explaining it at the end of the video, you get about 10 minutes video or 10 minute video. So when someone come in, and mostly this trending content, because you are explaining it for people to understand, they will keep on your video, watch your video to the end to understand everything. Okay, so they will always make sure they watch your video to the end. So the next thing that I'm going to give out here is that when creating such content, the first thing is your thumbnail. The thumbnail is what you're going to reel that person into the video. Okay, so if you watch here, you will see we have other screenshot, other pictures that is showing out there. You see the woman, there are two women kneeling down and stuff. So you clip that one and you come in. We have Otunfo too, then you add Otunfo to it, then you can add your own picture into it and do some reaction that will show people that this is what you are talking about. Then the title also is important, because such trending content, sometimes we don't have a ranking, a title or keyword for it. So your title will help them how to rank it. So now what is trending now is Otunfo and Efia Pukuya, or Asante and Efia Pukuya and stars and Galamsey and stuff. So you see that you have those points or those keywords that you need to include to your description and your tags and stuff. So when someone come in or when someone is scrolling it, you see that Facebook or just recommend your video to them when they see the thumbnail, what is going on. So I have this one here, so I can just put in this one here that shows her first video, the video that he first made, and then I come in where she's leaning down. I'll put that one also there on my thumbnail. Then I can put Otunfo to the other side. Then on my title I can write reason why Afia and Otunfo is trending, or why Otunfo rejected, or the Asante Palace or the Kumasi Palace rejected Afia apology. Okay, or Afia apology has been rejected, the reason for it, or why Afia is trending, full story. Then so when someone come in, he will watch it and make sure you include what you know, make sure anytime when you are creating a video, make sure what you know you bring it. Don't exaggerate. Don't create or talk about what you don't know, or just because you want watch hours and stuff, you create a long ball video. People will not watch it. If you go out there and watch the examples of these big channels that I talked about here, you'll see that the beginning of their video, look at this one, the beginning of the video, how he started the video. Okay, so let's look at something small here. Okay, so you see how this man is talking, reacting and stuff. So when someone is watching it, he will be happy watching it because there's action going on. So you need to also make sure you do some things that will let people feel your video always. Okay, if you go to Magaham too, the same thing that he does. Okay, look at how, okay, so you see how she is doing it, how she is happy and stuff. So doing all these things can help people jump to your video, always feel happy to come to your channel and watch your video. If you want to know more of this stuff, make sure you subscribe to this channel. My next video, I'm going to show you how you can react to others video. That one, you will not talk, you will not do anything, but I will show you how you can do that one and you will not face any copyright issues and make money from it. Subscribe to this channel, put your comment in the comment section, like this video, share to others who have or who want to make money as you are. See you in the next video.